You just found the 2020 Dodge Charger. This vehicle still has fewer than 30,000 miles on the clock, so it won't last long. The Charger's advanced design lets you tap into seriously savage performance when you want it and save fuel when you don't. With 4 doors, it's a family-friendly muscle car that's surprisingly versatile. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: electronic stability control, trip computer, power windows, bucket seats, 4-wheel disc brakes, power steering. Feel the exhilaration of raw muscle car power in the Charger. Come in for a test drive.